In today's session, we're learning to add and subtract integers. However, with a view to this, we must first recognise what integers are and where we might encounter them in everyday situations. So what are integers? They are the set of numbers as recorded here: -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. The ellipsis, or three little dots at both ends, show that these numbers, or the set of numbers, can continue to infinity in both directions. So where do we meet integers? In such places as thermometers, where the temperature above or below 0 is recorded. We also meet them in our bank balance, when we have either saved or spent more than we should. And another context in which we meet them is when we are looking at tides and tide charts, looking at the height above a mean tide level or below that mean tide level. Integers can be shown on a number line, with all integers to the right of 0 being positive and all those to the left of 0 being negative integers. Now you'll see on my number line that the numbers to the right of 0 have no positive sign beside them. So a number without a sign is positive. Number lines are useful in allowing us to compare integers. For example, a -2 and a +2. At all times, the number to the right will be larger than the other. So here we're comparing -2 and +2. The +2 is to the right, so it is larger. If we were to compare -6 with +4, then similarly the +4 is to the right of the -6, and so it is the larger value. So that concludes our initial look at integers, and tomorrow we'll be moving on to look at how we can add and subtract them using the same number line.